Hey guys, I'm gonna do the second part of my reading the whole scriptures. So, yesterday I read it's about 14 of chapter 1. But in the first paragraph, in the first story, there is 31 paragraphs of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read about 5 more chapters of it. Do it in like three or 4 parts, so that it just makes it exciting and people are going to be like bored that it takes like 6 hours or whatever to read one part, It just breaks it down and takes a bit of time, as you know. So, obviously, in the 14 where I finished at, they said, then God said, let there be luminaries in the expanse between the heavens to make a division between the day and the night, and they will serve as signs for seasons and for days and years. As you know, so obviously God was talking about dividing day and night, that evening, and all that, to make a full day, and continue with that. It says, they will serve as luminaries in the expanse of the heavens to shine upon the earth. And it was so. And God went on to make 2 great luminaries, the greater luminary for dominating the day, and the lesser luminary for dominating the night, and also the stars. So obviously this was the sun, the moon, and the stars, Mars. You can imagine. Thus God put them in the expanse of the heavens to shine upon the earth, and to dominate by day and by night, and to make a division between the light and the darkness. Then God saw that it was good. So obviously God's realised what he's done, And there was evening, and there was morning, a 4th day. So obviously, as you know, 4 days of calendar. So obviously like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is created basically in the calendar. Then God said, let the waters foam and living creatures with living creatures, and let flying creatures fly above the earth across the expanse of the heavens. And God created the living sea creatures and all living creatures that move and swarm in the waters according to their kinds, and every flying creature according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. So, as you know, with that, God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and become many, and fill the waters of the sea, and let the flying creatures become many in the earth. And there was evening, and there was morning, a 5th day. So obviously God is finding all these different things, and he's realised that he is making days. Then God said, let the earth bring forth living creatures according to their kinds, domestic animals and creeping animals and wild animals of the earth according to their kinds. And it was so. And God went on to make the wild animals and the earth according to their kinds, and the domestic animals according to their kinds, and all the creeping animals of the ground according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. So, yeah. I probably said I was reading 5, but I've ended up just reading 10. So, yeah. So, I've just read chapter 25, paragraph 25 of the first chapter. As I said, there's 31 paragraphs in this chapter, and I don't want to be here all night. So what I want to do is I am going to make that all for now, and I will continue the end of chapter 1 tomorrow, and hopefully, yes, as I say, you may not think it's boring, but I don't know what else I can do, and I need something, because I've not really been doing much, so I can't really say like what I've been doing, so I might as well just make it that I do this, and then I'll have something to do. Yeah, I'm just not sure how I said that I've been in prison. So in prison they had what they call DPA, which is where prisoners donated any clothes they didn't want to. And if I just show you, they don't. Also, I went to one at Ascot Range, and I got this top. I just had to put it on there. But yeah, look, I'm not actually wearing it because I've got the nightgown on, but my pretty ice cream card, which says stay cool. Yeah, I find that real fun. I mean, I know you shouldn't have memories of prison, but it's like the budgie I've got now. I've obviously got photos in for my own budgies on Maria. And also a picture. I mean, how nice is that? He didn't do a lot of what my current budgie does. My current budgie still talks, but my first one he didn't really talk. But one of my friend's sisters came to my house because I was also a friend with his sister. I was a bit of a sister, but I was friends with her sister. I absolutely hate a lot of them now, by the way. So I don't think they're watching this. We walked in and he started laughing at her, which was funny. Yeah. to, and he loved it. He was still absolutely way older, but then as he got older, it just liked eating carrot. But the thing is, with the carrot, he didn't take it from the clip himself. He had to stand at the cage with the door open, feeding it. You know, on the day that we lost it, we put, we moved like about 6 months before we moved house. We'd had all the kitchen and bathroom done, and he stopped having hands, and it was fine then. And then one day in January, he didn't eat anything that morning. I was just like, oh, he's not hungry. You know, I was like, oh, he's not hungry, that's fine. But then I went to the job centre, and then all my family come to me now, so I went in there with my family, and then when I got back, I shouted to my mum, "Mum, come here." And she came in, and she says, "What's up?" I says, "It's Georgie." So she looked, and you know, obviously I was upset. I didn't cry, but I was upset. She was upset. So she went down to my nan's, went to get a little like shoebox or something to put him in. And we put him in the bin because we couldn't really put him because we have a lot of cats have no nice day. They are paying for digging, so if we'd buried him, obviously it is smells and they'd have dug him up, you know, and it wouldn't have been nice to see your dead butcher out on your footboard. So yeah, we got Bobby, who was Michael Butcher, who asked him out, paid him videos, I'm not sure. So yeah, but Georgia was 10 years old when he died. Bobby is now 7. He'll be 7 in December, yeah. He'll be 7 in December, so wow. 7 in December already. Can't believe it. My baby's growing up. Well, he talks like anything. So yeah. So I thought, oh, this was going to just be reading. I thought I will show you some things as well. So yeah, this is all for now, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Bye for now.